Okay, let me tell you something. Confidence is a scam. It's literally like no one magically wakes up and feel the main character energy, isn't it? Like you're not born with confidence. But I figured something wild. You know what? Confidence isn't real until you make it real. So the thing is how you literally trick your brain into being more confident. And today's my topic is how I tricked myself into being more confident even when I wasn't actually confident. Okay, so let me take you back at a one scenario. Once in a college, there was an event going on, and tons of people looking all great, talking to each other, and I was like not feeling it that day. You know, there are few days when you're like, kind of thing. I was like debating, should I just go home or something like that happens, right? So it was that day for me, and I just thought, what if I just pretend? What if I just like pretend as if I own this place? And guess what? I did. I just walked like I'm the most self-assured person in the room, and I just spoke like what I actually knew I was speaking, and people took it. They actually believed. Like that day I realized something. Confidence is an illusion that you create yourself, and the more you create it, the realer it becomes. So this is what I learned that day. My first trick. People don't believe what actually is going on inside you. They believe what you show them. So the thing is, you ask yourself that what would a confident person do in such situations? Would he just in a room full of people stay in a corner looking all gloomy and sad? No, right? They'd walk in, they talk, they attract people, they communicate, socialize. So that's what I do, and I promise it works. Try it next time. Okay, let's talk about one of the biggest confidence killer, which is overthinking. We all do it. Let's accept that truth. So the thing is, once what happened in the class, I said something dumbest thing ever, and I spent the entire day thinking, what would people think? What would this happen? What if questions it arises? I agree. But you know what? Next day no one remembered, because I'll tell you the harsh truth. No one cares. Because people are too busy to think about themselves to even care about you. So once you realize and accept that, your confidence will instantly shut up. Here's my trick number 2. So in any time you feel self-conscious or awkward in such situations, just walk in as if nobody cares, because honestly, nobody cares. I know that's harsh truth. Once you actually realize and accept it, I'm telling you, your confidence will really boost, and it helped me, it will help you too. Okay, so here's the most random trick, but it's most powerful. So it sounds basic, but hear me out. Wear what makes you feel good. Because one day I'll tell you, I wore my favorite dress. It made me feel so good. It made me feel like the it girl of that class, yeah. And that day I realized I walked different, I talked different, I behaved differently, and it will just instantly boost your confidence, isn't it? So if you ever need an instant confidence booster, try wearing something which makes you feel comfortable, makes you feel really good. That actually helps. Okay, so here's my final takeaway. Confidence isn't something that you have or you don't have. It's something that you created yourself. It's a habit that you build over time. It's not something which will happen overnight, Yes, so start faking it today. Start wearing what makes you feel so good. Start walking into that room as if you own the place. Stop overthinking. And you won't even realize that when you stopped faking it, and it became much more realer. So drop in the comments and let me know what makes you feel instantly great and confident. Let's help each other out. So till then, stay confident. Bye bye.